If you want to change the subtitle language in VLC Media Player, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether you're watching a movie, a TV episode, or any other video file, VLC makes it really easy to switch subtitle tracks and choose the language that works best for you. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer and play the video you want to watch. Once your video is running, look at the top menu bar in VLC. You'll see several options there, and the one you need is Subtitle. Go ahead and click Subtitle. A drop-down menu will appear with different subtitle-related options. From that menu, select Subtrack. This is the setting that controls which subtitle track is being used for the video. After you click Subtrack, you'll see a list of available subtitle languages or subtitle tracks attached to the video. Now just choose the language you want to use. If the video has multiple subtitle tracks, VLC will apply your selection immediately, and you should see the subtitles change right away on the screen. If nothing changes, it usually means the video only has one subtitle track available, or subtitles may need to be loaded separately. But in most cases, switching the subtitle language is as simple as opening the subtitle menu, choosing Subtrack, and picking the language you prefer. This is especially useful if you're learning a new language, watching foreign films, or just want subtitles in a different language for better understanding. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.